This is a real and terrifying story. 5 friends, passionate about exploration, decided to venture into Gollum's Cave. However, when 4 of them entered, they simply vanished. When they were finally found, their bodies were grotesquely entangled. But what exactly happened inside? The cave had 2 large air pockets connected by an underwater tunnel, which was completely flooded with no space to breathe. Lacking proper equipment, the 4 decided to rely on a single rope, believing they could swim through in one go. One of them, considering the plan too risky, refused to enter and stayed behind. The other 4 dived in. Within 30 seconds, they reached the air pocket on the other side. But there was a fatal problem. The oxygen was limited and would not replenish. When one of them realized the air was running out, they alerted the others. The tunnel was too narrow for more than one person to pass at a time. One of the women decided to hold her breath and swim back to the exit. But as she attempted to cross, she made a horrifying discovery. The difference in oxygen levels between the 2 sides was too extreme. Within seconds, her brain began shutting down due to lack of air. She lost hold of the safety rope and, in a panic, swam in the wrong direction, straight into a dead-end passage. There was no space to turn around. In a desperate struggle, she fought to retreat, but by the time she made it back to the main tunnel, it was already too late. Her body gave out, and she died just meters from the exit. The 3 remaining inside had no idea what had happened. Believing their friend had safely escaped, they decided to follow. The second diver swam towards the exit, but was met with a horrific sight. His friend's lifeless body, completely blocking the passage. He desperately tried to push through, but the narrow tunnel left no room. Worse still, there was no space to turn back. Unaware of the unfolding tragedy, the last 2 divers entered the tunnel. Within seconds, the passage was entirely blocked by bodies. No oxygen, no room to move, no way out. One by one, they perished, each of them facing the only thing they longed to reach, the way out. Outside, the friend who had stayed behind grew worried about the delay and called the authorities. When rescuers arrived and drained the water, they found the 4 bodies stacked together, twisted in their final attempts to escape. The terror they endured in their last moments is unimaginable. Following this tragedy, Gollum's Cave was permanently sealed, a grim reminder that nature does not forgive recklessness.